Let's look at the next one. It says Gopi marks a price of a product in order to make a profit of 120%. Okay. So let's say suppose you have a value X as the cost price. You mark the product at 1.2x in order to make a profit of 20%. Ravi gets a discount of 10% on this mark price. If you get a discount of 10% on this mark price, he saves rupees 15. So effectively, if I say 10% of my mark price, that should turn out to be equals to 50. So if you solve this further, you will realize that your mark price of the product should have been 150. If your mark price of the product is 150, 1.2x is also your mark price, right? So 1.2x must be equals to 150. That's what the question is talking about. So what is the value of x, which is your cost price? So 1500 divided by 12 is what you are looking at. So if you solve this, 12 ones are 12, 30, 12 twos are 24, 12 fives are 60. So 125 turns out to be the cost price of the product. 1.2 into 125 will turn out to be the mark price of the product, which was 150. And then the profit in rupees made by Gopi by selling the product to Ravi is how much? Ravi is getting a 10% discount on the mark price, right? So what is the 10% discount on the mark price? 10% of 150. If 10% of 150 then turns out to be what? 15. So your selling price will turn out to be what? 150 minus of 15, which is equals to what? 135. So your selling price should be 135 and your mark price, sorry, your cost price was turning out to be what? 125 over here. Your cost price was 125. So if he sells it at a discount of 10, he is going to earn a profit of 10 rupees. And that is what the question was talking about. Then the profit in rupees made by Gopi by selling the product to Ravi is how much? That is 10 rupees.